10 Best Bitcoin and Crypto Exchanges and Trading Platforms. Many people believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance. When you're ready to leap into crypto, choosing an exchange to trade or invest in cryptocurrencies is one of the most important steps to your success in the crypto market. A cryptocurrency exchange, also called a digital currency exchange (DCU), is a business that enables you to trade digital currencies or cryptocurrencies. Many cryptocurrency exchanges offer to trade Bitcoins, Ethereum, XRP, Ripple, altcoin, and more. In this episode, we'll walk you through the 10 best Bitcoin and crypto exchanges on the market for your consideration. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the future episodes about cryptocurrencies and investing in general. 1. CoinBase. CoinBase is the most widely known and used cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. CoinBase was founded in 2012, not long after the release of Bitcoin's code in 2009, and is a fully regulated and licensed cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase currently has licenses to operate in over 40 US states and territories. While the cryptocurrency industry has been fraught with fraudulent coins and shady exchanges, Coinbase has largely avoided any controversy. Coinbase offers an extremely easy-to-use exchange, greatly lowering the barrier to entry for cryptocurrency investment, which is typically seen as confusing and convoluted. Coinbase also offers insured custodial wallets for investors and traders to store their investments. They carry insurance against data breaches and hacking, and your cash is stored in FDIC-insured bank accounts. These custodial accounts are very convenient for newer users just getting their feet wet, but the private keys to the coins within them are owned by Coinbase and not the investor. 2. TradeStation. TradeStation is a cryptocurrency platform that allows you to store, transfer, and exchange more than 90 cryptocurrencies. It also offers Visa card services, so you can spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted and earn up to 8% back. TradeStation can get you verified in less than 5 minutes, and it's free to open an account. The platform offers 24/7 customer support. Beyond the Visa card, TradeStation products include its app, CryptoPay, CryptoEarn, CryptoCredit, and Crypto.com exchange and DeFi wallet. TradeStation wants to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency, and its wide range of products can help you start your own process. 3. BlockFi. The BlockFi Interest Account (BIA) allows you to maximize your cryptocurrency balance. Watch your coffers grow by depositing your crypto in your BlockFi Interest Account, as your balance both appreciates in value and earns you interest. BlockFi offers 8.6% on stable coins and up to 6% on BTC. This account is free to use with no minimum balance requirements. Open an account in 3 simple steps. Enter your information and fund your account with crypto or stable coin, a type of cryptocurrency tethered to an asset marker like the US dollar. Start earning monthly interest in your account in the cryptocurrency of your choice, Bitcoin, Ether, or stablecoin. Use BlockFi's useful interest calculator for an idea of how much you'll earn on a given cryptocurrency balance in your BIA within a certain period of time. Both your assets and data are under lock and key with BlockFi, so you can invest with peace of mind. 4. SoFiInvest. SoFiInvest connects to more than a dozen of the most trusted and secure crypto exchanges, so you have access to the largest crypto trading market available anywhere. SoFiInvest gives you faster, more reliable execution, plus access to multiple exchanges. SoFiInvest partner with over a dozen of the most trusted and secure crypto exchanges and liquidity providers. SoFi's exchange connectivity offers you competitive prices on your trades and faster, more reliable execution. SoFi operates commission-free to save you money. You save money on trades through its extensive crypto market and best execution technology. SoFiInvest achieves price improvement on over 90% of customer orders. 5. Binance. The Binance Exchange is an exchange founded in 2017 with a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers over 100 different trading pairs between different cryptocurrencies. It offers plenty of fiat crypto pairs as well. As of April 2021, Binance dominates the global exchange space, making up a significant portion of crypto trading volume daily. The exchange only allows for US dollar deposits by global users via SWIFT, but it does allow you to directly purchase a select number of cryptocurrencies with a credit or debit card. Deposits using 19 other fiat currencies are allowed, including the euro. Binance is suited to people who would like to trade or invest in lesser known altcoins. Binance offers over 50 different cryptocurrencies to trade. Binance is the ideal exchange for anyone who wants more advanced charting than most other exchanges. The features, charting abilities, and data that comes with your account are truly impressive, especially when you consider how reasonable their fees are. 6. Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency that offers access to more than 50 supported coins and tokens, staking capabilities, futures trading, and more. Kraken offers a variable maker-taker fee schedule, which often results in lower fees compared to flat-rate brokerages. In addition to a wide range of crypto choices, Kraken offers customizable ordering platforms and mobile apps that you can use to fully refine your trading experience. It offers access to futures and forex investing, as well as margin services, with interest calculated each 4-hour period. You may find you pay less in fees when using Kraken's maker-taker schedule, especially when using strategic order types to ensure that the market fee is paid. However, these variable percentages can be confusing and off-putting for new investors. Kraken offers video lessons that cover everything from the basics of cryptocurrency markets to future tradings and more. And the broker's weekly podcast focuses on Kraken's inner operations and future updates. 7. Gemini. Stay on top of market trends, build your crypto portfolio, and execute your trading strategy with Gemini's easy-to-use tools. The Gemini app is available on all the major app stores, and it puts the industry's best crypto exchange and wallet in your hands. Gemini's app is easy to use. You can track asset prices and real-time market prices and set price alerts so you can act fast on price movements for individual assets. You can also schedule recurring buys on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Invest with peace of mind with Gemini's solid cybersecurity and custody solutions. Create a free account and make your first buy in as little as 3 minutes. 8. eToro. eToro fundamentally changed the way many people trade and invest with its social trading platform. Social trading involves mirroring another trader or investor's transactions in a special social trading account. While you make the same amount proportionally as the trader you're copying, you also take the same percentage of losses the trader takes in their account. In addition to its regular crypto trading platform, eToro offers an advanced cryptocurrency exchange platform called eToro X. This platform is designed for algorithmic traders and institutional-grade investors. It offers traders access to tight dealing spreads, and its Algo X application programming interface (API) can be used to create custom automated trading tools. 9. Robinhood. Robinhood is among the best options for beginner traders who want a simple, easy-to-understand layout without all the bells and whistles other brokers offer. Though its trading options and account types are limited, even an absolute beginner can quickly master Robinhood's intuitive and streamlined platform. You can quickly access your tax documents and account statements through the app, and you can create an account and begin funding it in as little as 10 minutes. Placing a trade is also equally simple. Brief explanations of every buy and sell order beside each option help you learn. It's a great feature for beginners. Though Robinhood does require a $2,000 minimum balance to access its Robinhood Gold features, there's a $0 minimum required balance for standard accounts. Combined with the broker's new fractional share feature, Robinhood is a great option for new traders who only have a small amount of money to invest. 10. Unifimoney. Unifimoney is built by crypto traders for crypto traders. It makes cryptocurrency trading accessible for beginner, intermediate, and advanced traders. You can get the tools that professional crypto traders use without the expensive price tag. Unifimoney's platform is intuitive and easy to use. Its crypto trading software platform adapts to your needs. It combines 10 connected exchanges. It also offers immediate price alerts, portfolio manager, break-even calculator, and customizable trading pages by allowing traders to manipulate widgets to create preferred layout in order to trade comfortably, limit ladder order, gain quick access to market tabs, and integrated market scanners. That's it for this episode. If you have any questions about this video, comment below with hashtag 11minuteclass and we'll try to make a video about it. To watch more episodes on financial topics like this, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to support us even more, buy us a coffee from the link in the description. Good luck and see you in the next episode.